Greetings, peeps. There's a new product on the market you can use to charge your Jackery 160, 240, or Honda 290. Just came out this past week. I'm honored to be the first person to have the exclusive right to review this product as it hits the market. It's the Jackery SolarSaga 60 portable solar panel. It's rugged, it's waterproof. Let's see how it holds up in the tests. HOBOTECH. Now the packaging for the Jackery SolarSaga 60 is simple. They ship it to you in a skinny little cardboard box. Comes in bubble wrap. Here's your SolarSaga 60 solar panel. Comes with a piece of cardboard instruction sheet, your cute little 2-year warranty Jackery cutout, and on the back of the box tells you everything you need to know about the specifications for this new solar panel. Here's a little Jackery cardboard cutout that they give you that tells you about the warranty. And here is that cardboard. Gives you some safety tips, gives you the tech parameters, information about the warranty, frequently asked questions, and how to contact Jackery. That's really all there is to it. It's just one page. So what's it look like unfolded? Well, you can see how small it is compared to me. It's very small, and it's just held with 2 snaps, and it unfolds, and there it is, the unfolded size. Each one of these panels are 20 watts a piece for a total of 60 watts. You obviously have the handle here for carrying. On the back is a pocket. That pocket has 2 zippers, and it holds the cable that you hook into the Jackery. Now this is a 9-foot cable, so it's nice and long. And instead of MC4 connectors, you get these nice Anderson connectors. These are a lot easier to connect than disconnect. This side of the cable goes into the Jackery. Show that in a moment. And the other end of the cable plugs in here. Right inside this flap is the other Anderson connector where you plug in the cable. So one of the things I like about this portable panel the most is its size. The second is how light it is. I'm like literally holding this up with my pinky. That shows you how light it is. It's under 4 pounds. As for size and weight, the SolarSaga 60 is worlds smaller and lighter than its 50-watt counterpart. This is 17.5 by 12 by 2, where the old plastic Jackery 50-watt panel is 22.2 by 15.6 by ½ inch. While this is slightly thicker because it has the pad on the bottom, the panels themselves are far thinner and more efficient. This is 60 watts compared to 50 watts. This will work with the Jackery 160, 240, the Honda 200, and Honda 290 products from Jackery. The fabric I also really like. It's like a canvasy polyester type. It seems to be water resistant, and they do say that this panel is waterproof on the website. So, of course, I had to put it through its paces. So like I mentioned before, it has 2 snaps that hold it together, and it folds out like this. It actually has rings in all 4 corners. That allows you to use hooks or bungees or whatever to hold it up while you use it to charge your Jackery. Let me show you how I hook it up. So this is how I hook it up on my van. I use magnetic hooks to hook it to the hood. And since I always park with my nose facing south in the summertime, it gets the most sun that way. Sometimes I'll move it to the other side of the hood in the morning and then on this side for the afternoon. Hook red to red, black to black, push them together until it snaps, and you got your connection. Then this side of the cable I just run through my van door and plug into the Jackery. It's that simple. You'll see right away it starts charging. Now we do have some overcast today, so it's only charging at 36 watts, but it does do a great job. Now I'm thoroughly impressed with the SolarSaga 60 and its charging capabilities in overcast and slightly cloudy days, which has been every single day since I've had this thing. I have not had a single day with blue skies since I've had this in my possession. However, it still does a great 38-watt charge, even on days like this where it's overcast or cloudy. That's because it's 60 watts. The Jackery can only take a charge of 42 watts, so this panel is slightly overkill. which is exactly what you want, because that means on a cloudy or overcast day, you'll still get a great charge on your Jackery. Now these panels, those of you that know Renogy products, these panels might look familiar to you. They look exactly like the Renogy Eclipse panels, the expensive ones that they use. These panels claim to be 23% efficient compared to their old panels, which are only 19% efficient. And these certainly look a lot better than their older panels. As mentioned before, the SolarSaga 60 has a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Now typically that doesn't mean a lot for products made in China. However, Jackery has an office in California where they do all their American business. So if you have a problem with your SolarSaga after the Amazon return period, you can be assured you'll deal with English-speaking people in California where you could ship the product to for a replacement or repair. That's a pretty big deal compared to something else you might only save $20 on and then have to return it all the way to China, which takes a month there, a month back, and you'll probably never see your product again. That's why I support the Jackery products, because I know they're not only good and they do what they say they're supposed to do, but if I have a problem, I have a local place to return it to. I don't have to worry about shipping things overseas. So one of the design issues that I don't care for the Jackery SolarSaga 60 is the way they put this thick bag on the back, because it makes it really difficult with the bag and the handle to lay it flat on the surface. Like say it's summertime and the sun's directly ahead, this kind of wobbles and the wind picks it up and moves it around. That's just something I don't like. I wish they could have done something else instead of putting that bag on the back. Now the bag's obviously designed to store the cable. It's a pretty big bag though. It's definitely oversized for its needs. And I do like the fact they included 2 zippers, because I always hate dealing with one zipper. And it folds up like this, very easily, very quickly. 2 snaps, and you're ready to take it on the way. So just how fast is it to set up the Jackery SolarSaga 60? You can go ahead and count. Let's see how long it takes. There's the cable. Plug it into the Jackery. Flip this sucker over, and it's charging. That's all there is to it. Now Jackery says that the Jackery SolarSaga 60 is waterproof. So I put that to the test by running it for 3 straight days in the rain, and it had no problems whatsoever. I also have a short clip of a pretty bad hailstorm that happened just last week right up the road here. I'll show that right now. As you can see, it was getting pummeled with hail. It's snowing! Ow, ow, ow. Well, we're testing the Jackery solar panel here in the hail. Ouch. Okay, I'm going inside. Holy crap! Still works just fine. Still charges just as much as before. Okay, so how do you get one of these suckers? You're probably wondering, you want to get your hands on one of these because you have a Jackery, you didn't get my adapter cable, you don't feel like buying a big rigid panel, you want something small and compact like this, which is really strong and durable and waterproof. So Jackery is going to provide a special deal for you guys who buy the SolarSaga 60 and have already bought a Jackery 240, or you're going to buy a Jackery 240 today for this deal. All you have to do is send them your order number, and they will send you a free Jackery Bolt, which is a little portable battery worth $40. They send it to you for free. All you have to do is send an email to tester@jackery.com. That's tester, T-E-S-T-E-R, @jackery.com, and I'll put that below in the description. Send them your order number from Amazon, and they'll send you one of those Jackery Bolt products absolutely free. Also, just for HOBOTECH viewers, I was told there will be a promo code you can use at checkout in Amazon, and you should get some kind of discount. I don't know how much that discount is. I don't know when the code's going to go into effect. The person running Jackery is flying from China and coming over to the Overland Expo, so it's kind of difficult getting in touch with her right now, but I'm told there will be a promo code. So look in the description below, see if there's a promo code down there. Go ahead and type that in Amazon at checkout and get your discount on the SolarSaga 60. Now obviously, just like everything else on HOBOTECH, there's a URL there, hobotech.tv/Amazon, which will take you to my Amazon page. The SolarSaga 60 is on there. as well as the Jackery 240. There's also a link in the description if you want to get the Jackery SolarSaga 60 today. So I hope you enjoyed this first ever review of the Jackery SolarSaga 60. And again, if you like it, the link's in the description to check it out. And don't forget, if you send that order number to Jackery at tester.jackery.com, you get the free Jackery bolt, as long as you bought this and this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for now. Till next time.
Odin commands you to like and subscribe, and clean my litter box.
Hey Odin, how many fucks do you give about the Jackery? About the SolarSaga 60? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's exactly what I thought, right there. That's how many you give. Hey, thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe, share, and like. And we'll see you guys next time. Say hi, Odin.
Randolph Furnight, Army Golf Guy, Joe Lazaro, Hat.